say you want this one to be or to utilize whole numbers. So buwan niya, you can set the equation and then just obtain the r squared of that model with respect sa my variables. You can have this one for 7.5. You can kung ano equation mo, r squared mo, 26 daw. Ikabalis ka din mo friend. From r mo is the same. Okay. Sumambal, kung r squared ang ibasihan mo as explained earlier or shown earlier, not enough siya to give you the proper decision na ano na natin yung mga model. But you also need to visualize. Okay. So any question or clarifications per PT? You can practice by using the examples today sa my notes and then apply other models, kumbaga, other polynomial models. You can try second degree, no? Second degree, and then use this one. Okay, same naman is